Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to bring you another episode of our open source exploration series. Today, we're diving deep into the top trending open source GitHub projects this week, part 2. We've got a lineup of amazing projects that are making waves in the tech community, from powerful content blockers to blazing fast file managers, and much more. We'll break down what makes each of these projects unique, how they work, and why you should be paying attention. So, buckle up and let's jump right into it. Project number 1, KAG, Advanced Knowledge Retrieval and Reasoning. Today we're exploring KAG, Knowledge Augmented Generation, a powerful framework that is transforming how we use knowledge graphs with large language models. This open source project, built on the OpenSPG engine and LLMs, is designed for building logical reasoning and question-answering systems for specialized knowledge bases. What makes KAG stand out? First, KAG effectively addresses the shortcomings of traditional RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, models by using a knowledge and chunk mutual indexing structure to integrate more complete contextual information. It also overcomes the noise problems often introduced by OpenAI and GraphRAG through knowledge alignment using conceptual semantic reasoning. Furthermore, KAG supports schema-constrained knowledge construction, allowing for the representation of domain-specific expertise. The framework uses logical form-guided hybrid reasoning and retrieval to support multi-hop reasoning and complex question answering. KAG integrates planning, reasoning, and retrieval operators to transform natural language into a process that combines both language and symbols. This allows KAG to integrate retrieval, knowledge graph reasoning, language reasoning, and numerical calculation. KAG also integrates unstructured and structured data by using the DIKW hierarchy: data, information, knowledge, wisdom. This makes it compatible with schema-free information extraction and schema-constrained expertise construction. Whether you are a regular user or a developer, KAG provides a variety of ways to get started with the framework and begin integrating it into your projects. KAG provides a more reliable and accurate approach to logical reasoning and factual Q&A in diverse professional domains. Before we move to next,
let's introduce ConsoleX AI. ConsoleX AI is the ultimate AI playground with infinite possibilities. It offers a streamlined interface to chat with any model and comprehensive features designed to fuel your innovation. Whether you're looking for an alternative AI assistant to ChatGPT, Claude, or you're an LLM developer seeking a versatile tool to build anything, ConsoleX AI serves as your Swiss Army knife. Boost your efficiency and unleash your creativity. So, this is the interface of ConsoleX. Here you get a chat box where you can use multiple AI chat models, like GPT-4o Mini, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and many more. On ConsoleX, you can not only access ready-to-use shared models, which consumes credits, but also integrate your own private models via API. To add a model, add private endpoint find XAI, as providers choose the model from the drop-down list, and paste your API key here. Click Confirm to complete the integration. Let's test it by starting a new chat, asking the model, "Who is your developer?" Choose the model that just being added, and send the query. The model responded that its developer is indeed XAI. Let's chat with AI models. I upload a dish image. I want to know which dish is this image, and what is its origin. And then select AI chat model like I using Gemini 1.5 Flash. And here you can see the result. This is a taco dip dish from Mexico. Along with this, by clicking Add Tool, you will find multiple AI models like Flux Pro, Meta Prompt Generator, and more. For example, let's add Flux Pro and simply write a prompt like generate an image of a cat. And after that you can see an generated image is ready. So like this, you can add model according to your need. And by clicking Prompt, you will find prompt library, like OpenAI Meta Prompt, for text output, and more. Or you can create your own prompts. With this, if you enable artifacts feature, generate content like code snippets, text documents, or website designs, and pop up an artifact that appears in a dedicated window alongside your conversation. Best matches Claude 3.5 Sonnet, but may also work with other models. Enable this feature will increase the cost of the conversation, since extra system prompt will be prepended to your conversation. So make sure to turn on auto-caching to save money. And here auto-caching tool. When enabled, the system will cache the longest prompts and tool lists, according to the rules of the model providers to maximizing cost savings. Also, when you enable playground mode, Each message will be displayed as editable code, and you can fix it, add, and orchestrate the order of the message. Target users: Gen AI application developers, large language model researchers, prompt engineers, AI startup teams, enterprise AI teams, content creators, and marketers leveraging AI. ConsoleX AI, the AI playground with infinity possibilities. Let's move our next project.
Project number 2, Stagehand, AI-powered web automation. We're diving into another exciting project that's changing the game for web automation, Stagehand. This is an AI-powered web browsing framework focused on simplicity and extensibility, making it easier than ever to automate web tasks using natural language. What sets Stagehand apart? First, Stagehand is designed as a successor to Playwright and is built on 3 simple APIs: Act, Extract, and Observe. These APIs allow you to interact with web pages using natural language instructions. Instead of complex coding, you can use commands like Act, click the login button, or Extract, find the red shoes. Stagehand then generates the appropriate Playwright code to execute those instructions. This approach makes web automation more intuitive and accessible. Each instruction should be atomic to increase reliability, and higher-level planning is handled by the agent. The Observe function provides a suggested list of actions that can be taken on the current page, helping to guide your automation process. Stagehand also supports multiple model providers, including OpenAI and Anthropic, offering flexibility in choosing the best model for your needs. The framework is open source and maintained by the browser-based team. Stagehand is designed to be lightweight and configurable without complex abstractions, and it also features modular support for different models and model providers. With Stagehand, you can also implement custom logging, and you can enable caching of LLM responses, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Stagehand helps developers build reliable web automations, expanding the market for headless browser infrastructure. Project number 3, System Design Primer, your guide to scalable systems. Let's move to another exciting project that's an essential resource for any aspiring software engineer, the System Design Primer. This open-source project is your comprehensive guide to mastering large-scale system design. What makes this primer so unique? First off, the System Design Primer is a meticulously organized collection of resources scattered across the web, all in one place. It's designed to help you learn how to build systems that can handle massive scale, which is crucial for becoming a better engineer. System design is a broad topic, and this project addresses that by providing summaries of various system design topics, along with the pros and cons of each. The project emphasizes that everything is a trade-off, so you are encouraged to understand the implications of each design decision. The project also serves as an excellent resource for interview preparation. System design is a required component of technical interviews at many tech companies. The primer provides sample interview questions with solutions, including discussions, code, and diagrams, as well as additional topics like object-oriented design. There are also Anki flashcards included to help you retain key system design concepts. Great for on-the-go learning. The guide includes a study guide to help you prepare based on your interview timeline. Furthermore, this project is a continually updated, open-source project, where contributions are welcome from the community. You can help by fixing errors, improving sections, adding new sections, or even translating. Project number 4, Cobalt, the user-friendly media downloader. We're exploring Cobalt, a media downloader that's designed to be as user-friendly as possible. What makes Cobalt stand out from other downloaders? Well, it's all about simplicity and respect for the user. Cobalt aims to be friendly, efficient, and completely free of ads, trackers, paywalls, and other unnecessary nonsense. It's designed to be as straightforward as possible. Paste the link, get the file, and move on. Cobalt is a monorepo, which includes source code for the API, frontend, and related packages, as well as documentation. It works like a fancy proxy, meaning it doesn't cache any content. It is important to note that Cobalt is not a piracy tool. It only downloads free and publicly available content, the same content that can be downloaded using the dev tools of any modern web browser. The end user is fully responsible for what they download, how they use, and distribute that content. Cobalt is also an open-source project, licensed under AGPL 3.0. The project is sponsored by royalhosting.net, and its main processing servers are hosted on their network. The project is actively developed by a team of 33 contributors, and the codebase includes Svelte, 47.3%, JavaScript, 39.9%, and TypeScript, 12.2%. If you're interested in contributing, there are guidelines available before making a pull request. Cobalt supports a wide range of platforms including YouTube, Vimeo, social media platforms, and more. So if you are looking for a simple way to download media, Cobalt might be exactly what you need. Project number 5, Yazi, the blazing fast terminal file manager. We're diving into Yazi, a blazing fast terminal file manager written in Rust that is based on asynchronous I/O. What makes Yazi stand out? Well, it's designed for speed, efficiency, and customization, aiming to provide a superior file management experience. The project's name, which means duck, is also quite unique. Yazi is built with full asynchronous support, so all I/O operations are asynchronous, and CPU tasks are distributed across multiple threads to maximize resource use. This leads to a very responsive and fast file management experience. It also features powerful async task scheduling and management, providing real-time updates, task cancellation, and internal task priority assignments. It also offers built-in support for multiple image protocols, and is integrated with uBlock and Java, covering almost all terminals. This allows for quick previews of images directly in the terminal. Yazi also has built-in code highlighting and image decoding that, combined with a preloading mechanism, significantly speeds up image and file loading. The project also offers a concurrent plugin system, where UI plugins, functional plugins, and custom previewers can be written in Lua. Yazi also features a data distribution service built on a client-server architecture integrated with a Lua-based publish-subscribe model, which enables cross-instance communication and state persistence. It also includes a package manager to install plugins and themes with one command. Yazi also integrates with tools like ripgrep, FD, FCF, and Zoxide. The project offers features like multi-tab support, cross-directory selection, scrollable previews, bulk renaming, visual mode, file chooser, a theme system, mouse support, a trash bin, custom layouts, and more. Project number 6, OnePanel, top-rated web-based Linux server management. We're exploring OnePanel, a top-rated web-based Linux server management tool. What makes OnePanel stand out? Well, it's designed to provide an intuitive and seamless experience for managing your Linux servers, all from a single web interface. OnePanel is an open-source control panel that integrates server management and monitoring, container management, database administration, website management, and system backup and restoration. It allows users to effortlessly manage their Linux servers through a user-friendly web graphical interface. Key features include host monitoring, file management, database administration, and container management. OnePanel also streamlines the process of website deployment with deep integration of WordPress, allowing domain binding and SSL certificate configuration with just one click. OnePanel includes an application store that curates a wide range of high-quality open-source tools and applications, making installation and updates easy. Security and reliability are also prioritized using containerization and secure application deployment practices to minimize vulnerability exposure. Integrated firewall management and log auditing capabilities further enhance security. Data protection is simplified with one-click backup and restore functionality, supporting various cloud storage solutions. The project is licensed under the GPL 3.0 license. OnePanel provides additional features such as server monitoring, container management, database administration, and system backup and restoration. It is designed to be a comprehensive solution for managing your Linux server through a web interface. If you are looking for a robust and user-friendly web-based Linux server management tool, OnePanel might be exactly what you need. Project number 7, Python TGPT, your AI assistant in the terminal. We're checking out Python TGPT, an AI chat tool in your terminal that also works as a Python package and a REST API. What makes Python TGPT unique? Well, it allows you to interact with over 45 free LLM providers without needing an API key, and it can generate images too. The project is a Python adaptation of the original TGPT project in Golang. Python TGPT is a versatile tool that offers a command line interface, a Python package for developers, and a REST API for web integration. It supports both streamed and non-streamed responses from multiple LLM providers. It provides a conversational chat experience, allowing users to save prompts and responses and load previous conversations. Image generation is supported using pollinations.ai, and the project also supports text-to-audio conversion. The project also offers offline support for large language models. Python TGPT offers a variety of features such as customizable script generation and execution, chained requests via proxy, and asynchronous support for most operations. It also has an interactive mode that enhances the chat experience by associating previous prompts and responses. It enables the use of awesome prompts to guide the AI's behavior, offering over 200 prompts. The project includes a rawdog feature that generates and executes Python code based on user prompts. It also allows you to pass environment variables to customize different aspects of the tool. There is also support for a Telegram bot interface. Python TGPT supports many providers, including Find, Perplexity, BlackBoxEye, and more, and it is built on top of GPT for free. You can install it via pip and use it directly from the command line. If you are looking for a tool that enables you to interact with multiple LLMs, create images, and automate tasks via a terminal, Python package, or REST API, then Python TGPT is the tool for you. Project number 8, Apache ECharts, the interactive charting library. We're diving into the world of data visualization with a project that's truly making waves, Apache ECharts. This isn't just another charting library, it's a powerful, interactive, and highly customizable tool designed for browsers. What makes ECharts stand out is its ability to transform complex data into intuitive and engaging charts. It's built with pure JavaScript and based on Render, a lightweight canvas library, which allows for smooth and performant rendering. What truly sets ECharts apart is its ease of use and customizability. You can effortlessly create a wide range of charts, from basic line and bar graphs to more complex visualizations like scatter plots, maps, and even 3D graphics using the ECharts GL extension. It's designed to be easily integrated into commercial products, making it a fantastic choice for businesses looking to enhance their data presentation. ECharts is also free and available under the Apache license v2, which means you can use it in a variety of projects without worrying about licensing fees. ECharts is also a very active project. It is hosted on GitHub, where it has an impressive 61.3k stars and 19.7k forks, demonstrating its popularity within the developer community. The project has a lot of activity with 9,453 commits and 118 releases. You can easily get started with ECharts via npm, cdn, or by downloading directly from the official website. The documentation is comprehensive, offering guides, API references, option manuals, and examples, making it easy to learn and use. There are also several extensions available, including ECharts GL for 3D plots, Liquid Fill for liquid style gauges, Word Cloud for text visualizations, and an extension for Baidu Map integration. Project number 9, microG GMS Core, Freedom from Google Play Services. Today, we're exploring a really interesting project called microG GMS Core. In essence, this is a free and open source alternative to Google Play Services. If you're not familiar, Google Play Services is a set of proprietary tools that many Android apps rely on for key features. microG GMS Core steps in to offer a solution for systems where Google Play Services is not available. This is where things get interesting. What makes microG GMS Core unique is that it allows apps designed for Google Play Services to function without the need for the official Google framework. Think of it as a compatibility layer that opens up a whole world of apps on devices that don't have the full Google suite. Many apps depend on Google Play Services for important functions like maps, location services, push notifications, and user authentication. Instead of being tied into the Google ecosystem, this project provides an alternative, which is a big deal for those interested in privacy or who want to use Android apps on devices where Google services aren't present. This project is licensed under the Apache 2.0 license, which means it is free to use and modify. The project is driven by a community, with over 147 contributors, using primarily Java, 58.1%, and Kotlin, 37.3%. microG GMS Core includes support for various features, such as Firebase, Maps, geolocation, push notifications, and authentication. If you're looking for more freedom and control over your Android experience, or you're just curious about alternatives to Google's ecosystem, then the microG GMS Core project is worth checking out. Project number 10, uBlock Origin, your efficient and open-source content blocker. We're taking a look at a powerful tool called uBlock Origin, or UBO. This is a free and open-source, wide-spectrum content blocker available for Chromium and Firefox. What exactly does that mean? Well, uBlock Origin is designed to block various types of content on the web, such as ads, trackers, coin miners, pop-ups, and malware sites. What makes uBlock Origin unique is that it does this very efficiently, using minimal CPU and memory. Unlike some other blockers that might slow down your browser, UBO is designed to be fast and lean. By default, it uses filter lists like EasyList, Easy Privacy, and Peter Lowe's block list to block unwanted content, and you can also add many other lists to block even more. UBO even supports hosts files and custom rules. You can also easily unselect any of these pre-selected filter lists. It is also important to note that using a blocker is not theft. The primary goal of UBO is to help users neutralize privacy-invading methods that are present when you visit many sites. uBlock Origin is available for Firefox, Thunderbird, and Chromium-based browsers. It is important not to use UBO with any other content blocker to ensure that its privacy and anti-blocker defusing features work correctly. This project has an active community, with 48.7K stars and 3.2K forks, and there are 272 releases. If you're looking for a robust and efficient way to improve your online privacy and browsing experience, uBlock Origin is a must-have. And that wraps up our exploration of this week's top trending open source projects. We covered so much today, from the privacy-focused uBlock Origin to the versatile one-panel Linux server manager and the AI-powered Stagehand web automation tool, as well as a few others. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into open source, and let me know in the comments which project you found the most interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.